All right, so this is what we did for our final project. We got a potentiometer and a servo motor. And then we have processing. So when I turn my potentiometer, my servo motor is going to rotate from 0 to 180 degrees, and that's as far as it can turn. And now it'll go back and rotate the other way. Now, when I start to rotate it on processing, I'm going to make a rectangle. And as I turn it, the potentiometer all the way, the height of the rectangle increases. So now as I go back down, the height of the rectangle is going to decrease, and my servo motor is back at 0. So yeah, this is what we have set up. And then looking at my code, so we included the servo library, created a servo object, and then basically what we have going on is we're reading the analog pin A0, and that's going to be assigned to the value of the potentiometer. We're printing that value, and then we're scaling that value to from the potentiometer to the servo, so that's going to give it like a servo angle, and then we're printing that value, and I can show you what my serial monitor looks like. In a second. Okay, so now right now it's at 0, and we're at 0, and then as we turn it, we're getting a potentiometer value of like 500 right now, angle of 91, and then once I turn it all the way, our potentiometer value is going to be at 1023, and our angle is going to be at 180. Now we're turning it back down. So that's happening there, and then I'll go through my processing code just a little. So yeah, we set my port number so that it's reading for my Arduino code, and then basically we're just assigning my potentiometer value we're reading that in here, and then I just created a rectangle with different widths and heights based on my potentiometer value. Yeah, so that is my final project, and I'll quickly show it one more time.